In this video, you'll learn how to withdraw USDT from Bitget. By following these steps, you will successfully transfer your USDT to your desired wallet address. Begin by navigating to the Bitget Exchange website. Ensure you are on the correct page, which features options for trading various cryptocurrencies. If prompted, sign in using your account credentials to access your account dashboard. After signing in, look for the option labeled Beyond Crypto on the main interface. Clicking this will take you to a new section of the platform where you can manage your assets. This step is essential for accessing your account settings and assets. Next, locate and click on your profile icon, usually found in the upper right corner of the screen. This action will display a drop-down menu with several options. Select Settings from this menu to proceed to your account settings. Once in the Settings menu, click on the Dashboard option. This area provides an overview of your account, including balances and transaction history. Confirm that you have sufficient USDT available for withdrawal before moving on. After reaching the dashboard, find and click on the Assets tab. This section displays all your cryptocurrency holdings. Ensure that your USDT balance is clearly visible here before you continue to the next step. Following this, click on the Withdraw button. This will direct you to the withdrawal interface where you can specify the details for your USDT withdrawal. Take a moment to review any relevant fees associated with this transaction. You will then see another Withdraw option. Click on this to initiate the withdrawal process. This action typically opens a new form where you will input your withdrawal details. Next, click on Select a Coin to choose the cryptocurrency you wish to withdraw. A drop-down menu will appear, allowing you to select the specific coin. Make sure to select USDT from this list. After selecting USDT, click on the Deposit button. This step will prompt you to enter the recipient's address where your USDT will be sent. Ensure that you have the correct address to avoid losing funds. Now click on Select Recipient to specify where the funds should be sent. This will open options for various types of wallet addresses. Choose the appropriate option for your transfer. Proceed by clicking on On-Chain to select the type of transaction you wish to perform. This choice is crucial as it determines how your funds will be transferred. Next, click on Select Network to choose the blockchain network for your withdrawal. This step is important as different networks may have varying fees and processing times. For example, click on TRC202, select the Tron network, which is often utilized for USDT transactions. This network typically offers lower fees compared to others. After selecting the network, click on Withdrawal Address to enter the wallet address where your USDT will be sent. Double check that this address is accurate before moving forward. Once you have entered the withdrawal address, click on Next to review your withdrawal details. Take a moment to ensure that all the information is correct, including the amount and the address. After confirming that everything is accurate, proceed with the withdrawal process by following any additional prompts. This step may include verifying your identity or confirming the transaction through email or SMS. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.